Good morning mga ka-wonder. Dito ako ngayon sa 7-Eleven Daug. Ang aming hintayan ng aming mga ka-underwriter. Samahan nyo kami mga ka-wonder sa aming ride. Let's go!
Good morning. Morning. Morning.
A few minutes later.
Even in my time of need, you sing to me in my sleep. I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay. There's little difference in the words that we say, 'cause we all want the same thing. The sun still rises in her usual way to welcome a new day. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm staring out into a whole new space where I know I should feel safe. My heart is breaking and this look on my face shouldn't look this way again. So much confusion in this theater of pain with the roles we all play. I'm standing up and I don't care what it takes. I don't care what they say. I keep staring at the floor, and I'm tired of these games. I keep trying to be strong, but I'm fading away. I'll protect you as best as I can. That's the job of a family man. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm fading away.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Uy, grabe yan oh. Sulit na aahonin yan. Uy, grabe.
I thought mama had promised me a mockingbird, and each note that she sings kind of a brand new bottle tucked away behind my seat. And if I get pulled over, I'll pretend
Ahon.
it's not for me. There's a problem here, but it's not yours, it's his. And every day you wake up longing for your kiss. There's gotta be more to live for in a lonely town like this. The stores are closing, and friends have lost their shirt. Although I know it's fucked up here, it probably could be worse.
1 hour later.
I guess I'm lucky I've got the work, and it seems like we're happy. At least I know we were. There's so many things to be angry about, and my phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good, and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this lonely town. Set my hands down on the table and just breathe. No one's forcing me to stay, but I can't leave. And I keep doing what I can to find relief. Just stay with me.
Balude kayo lang yung alam nila solar.
Ah, solar.
Kasi
Yung
solar panel.
solar
Kasi
panel.
noon may solar panel doon.
Ah, kaya
Yun
pinangalan.
yung solar panel. Hindi pa uso yung
Wala
solar
pa yung doon,
panel,
oo.
yun
Diyan pa
solar
lang.
panel. Yun yung pinagkukuha na ng kuryente ng Philippine Geography Box. P-Box.
P-box.
Ngayon eh.
Tinamaan na rin si si kuya.
Edna?
Oo, wala nang pagkain. Wag na dyan.
Nagretrato ko pa kita sir.
Wag na dyan. Wag mo na ituro.
Picture muna kayo doon.
Oo, pa-picture tayo
Background
doon.
yung ano.
Oh, tara. Tara.
Tara. Dalhin yung bike. Ganda kayo. Hindi na magbabike ba?
Hindi, para kita yung bike. Oo. Background lang, background.
Background mo, bundok ko.
Oo, ito palang tinata.
Dapat kamukha ko si Tanggol ha.
Si Tanggol talaga. Kaya maganda yan, may dala yan. Oh, may dalang camera talaga yan. La, kambing. La.
Kunyari galing tayo sa baba sir.
Kulong-kulong daw, yung pinuntahan niyo.
Ayun, galing ka na dyan.
Batali.
Kulong-kulong.
Alin dyan sir, yung bundok na yun, no? Yung may antena?
Dalaga.
Yung
May antena, Batali Hill.
Batali Hill, yung may antena.
Punta na rin kami dyan.
Ayan na, oh.
Yung forma kunyari tinutulak natin.
Alin? Paano? Ah, ganun ba? Paano? Yeah.
Marami kang pinupuntahan dito, yung mga kulong-kulong. Tapos yung pinakamalapit, tapos may katabi yan, Mount Huka. Yun yung mas maganda pa dyan. Mas eskwalado siya na ganyan.
Napupuntahan talaga sir.
Pinupunta.
Dito daan.
Oh.
Yan ba yung dati sir namin nagsusunog?
Oh, doon.
Kulong-kulong.
Kulong-kulong yun.
Wala pa naman yung bahay dati na. Pa tayo dumaan nun sir?
Oo, sir. Kaya lang sir, nung dumaan tayo dyan, nagmamadali na tayo, hindi na tayo umihinga. Kaya ganun yun, hindi mo na mapapansin.
Saka dry yung bundok nun.
Sir, dapat. Sir, dito banda oh. Yan. Tapos dito yung, Bob, kaya ka kumasit. Bob.
Yan, para kuha yung malaki-laki ng bundok.
Para makuha itang bundok.
Yan oh. Professional oh. Photographer yan.
Sir, yung tumatambling sir, habang kinukunan.
Dilim tayo. Init. Wala tunog. Uy, pera tumba. Putik pa naman. Woohoo! Madulas. Hello po. Opo.
Playing games with the names in my head. It's a shame I can't change. Maybe one day you come crawling back to me instead. We keep spinning in this game, no one's winning. If we just take a little more time, I could breathe and relieve the anxiety, just knowing you'll always be mine. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. It just takes a little time. Some might say there's a way to be open and honest with the voice in your head.
Sir, may motor daw?
May motor nga.
Enduro.
Hindi, Rosy. Pero hindi makakaahon yun.
Sakay dumaan
Yung
sa Burak. Doon sa Burak o sa taas kayo?
hinahabol yata nila yung bumili daw sa tindahan. Di nagbayad. Oo, yung di nagbayad. Bumili sa tindahan, di nagbayad. Ay, nahabol. Kala ko, hindi nagbayad. Sukli pala eh. Yun, oh.
Kala ko sir, may dalang ano, parcel. Sir, yun.
Ha?
Kala ko may dalang parcel, i-deliver sa atin. Oh,
Ba? Ready to fight? Sige, sige. Malayo pa, pababa. Mga ilang.
hindi ko tinit, wala akong kung. Sir, meron ano dito.
Ilang kilometer yun, ilang?
Marami pa yan sir sa loob ng bag. May magic. Lalong bibili si Sir Duarte niya.
Di, may ano yan, may pagkain yan.
Oy, ayun o, sarap o.
Yun, oh.
So, pandaang
May namimigay ng tinapay doon, oh.
mag-waiter.
Oh, yan, oh. Sponsor by Sir Edward, oh.
Oh, baka wala ka naman, wala matira sa...
Oo, tigi-isa na lang. Sakto, bilang. Bilang yata yan, eh. Mamaya sa tindahan. Ayan, may tawag na, oh. Kabilaan, talahib eh. Bangin. Ha? Naka ano ka? Hindi mo na itaas. Buti nga nagganito na ako, sir. Mahapdi pa naman yan. Oo nga, hindi ka rin pala nagpantalon, sir, no? Okay. Kasi alam ko madalas ka nakapantalon eh. Yan, pwede na yan, sir. Oo. Buti nga silang nauna eh. Nahawi pa. Buti silang nauna, nahawi pa. Sabi ko mabuti nauna sila at nahawi. Kopya. Sarap, no? Kaliwa kanan. Kaliwa kanan yan. Unahin mo muna, sir, para hindi ka mabitin. Hindi, harurot ako eh. Kaliwa, kanan, diretso, puno. Bunggo. Sige, alis ka dyan. Diretso ka na. Mahagip ka. Opya, alalay muna, delikado. Baka hindi ko may kakanan eh. Nag-alangan na. Ano yan, mabilis yan, Sir Edward. Ano, mabilis eh. Bilis Sir Edward. Tayo ko mabilis eh. Ganda dito oh. Overview. Overlooking view. Yan oh. Sulit. Doon kami akyat sa taas. Yan, puro bundok oh. Tapos ito gulay, kamansi.
Kamansi ba talaga yan?
Oh, kamansi yan. Kaya lang problema walang nyug dito.
Nawala na sila.
Ha? Wala na. Nakababa na no.
Nawala na sila, nahuli.
Wala, kaya naman sir. Yun lang, pagka nagdikit-dikit tayo,
Aabutan si ano.
abutan no. Mabibitin yun.
Muna doon, mamaya na tayo umalis.
Mabibitin. Ayan na, nahinto na siya. Bitin si Sir Edward.
Hirap ng ganyan, yung dati saan tayo nagpunta noon sa Baag. Di ba,
Ayan
yung
oh,
bike
huminto.
ko, di ako makaano,
Hinto.
napla, tapos
Rolling.
bike lang magro-roll ha.
Hindi kasama yung tao.
Gusto ko si Sir Andy nasa harap. Dapat mauna yun.
Maliit pa namang gulong. Oo, naka-video, naka 360 to, maganda. Maganda. Yan oh. Sweeper. Sweeper kami, sweeper. Malakas kami.
She was just 17. I think I was 23. People started to talk, you know what